I'm going to just go to Google Sites. Now, if you don't have it in your waffle, just go over here to your Omnibar and type in sites.google.com. Now, mine automatically remembers that, but there you go. Go to Sites and make sure you're on your school account. And then start a new site. Go right here. And I'm going to basically have a blank site. So I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to maybe call this our class. You might have a special name for your class. Pick an image. Select one that may be already in there. That would be kind of fun. Let's see. How about, I don't know. I like this one here. It's kind of modern looking. What's first? Well, I'm making a sample of I call it our class. I put my teacher name up here in 3rd grade, and I added a logo, a little Bitmoji. I think the first thing I think would be personal, informative, would be a YouTube video. So I'm going to use this example of one that I had where I introduced myself, and I would make one special for the class with current information about myself, something that is interesting. And I'm just going to center that right in the middle, and I'm going to add a little text. Let's see here. Put a little text underneath it, and just a little welcome. Here we go, a little text box there, and say welcome. Put that right in the middle. There you go. So now that I have the basic site set up, and right now it's just one page, but I had thought maybe I would make this an elementary site, but instead I'm going to use a syllabus that I already have, and it's for a college class for professors called Personalized Blended Learning. And so I'm going to put the title there, and let me just call it PBL for short. And then I'm going to put our class title here. Oops, let me redo that. There you go. That's good. And then I'm going to leave that video, that welcome video, and there it is. I'm going to drag this down. What's nice about these elements on the page in Google Sites is you can just click and drag them down into place. I'm going to get rid of this extra one, and there's an extra one here. Make that go away. And here I'm just going to copy that text. Ta-da! And if I want to, maybe make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so I've just been adding to this second page. I call this the overview page. And I've added a graphic and some course information. And then in this section down here, I'm going to just add this other section from the syllabus. Call it, it's got technical requirements, organization, and objectives. So I'm just going to copy that and paste. So then on the next page, I'm just going to click on Pages, and I'm going to click on New Page. And this is Units. Call it Units. And say Done. There's the page, and I'm going to insert just a text here. Let's see. I like this format that I've been using. Going to keep it consistent. And in the image, let's say I just want something quick. I'll just select an image, and I'm going to do a Google search. And let's see, people. I want to humanize my class, so let's just make this sort of pick a picture here of people. All right, and you can just, of course, you can use anything you want to there. I'm going to give this title of the class, Personalized Blended units. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy those units and paste them in here. Oops, that's the one from before. I need to copy this one here. Sorry, you can't see the other page I'm copying from. All right, there you go. And I'm just going to call that good. Now, you see the nice thing here with my Google Sites is it already creates the menus for these. All I need to do is click Publish, and it's going to ask me to give it a web address here. I want to make this very easily found. I don't want it to be too long. You know what? I think I'm going to keep that PBL, except it might get confused with problem-based learning. So personalized. I'm just going to use personalized. I know it's kind of long, but this is a good example anyway. Okay, so now in order to share this site, I just click on link. And that's going to see, you can see the link there. It's going to share the page, which is a sub page, I guess, of the site links or units. I'm going to close that. I'm going to click on home and then share that link. Copy link. And now I can paste that link in my wherever I want to share it. Social media, if it's out public or whatnot. So next I want to take a look at a couple sites that teachers have recommended to me, the actual classroom sites. Like this site here is Ms. Flores' site, and I just love it. It's so friendly. She has all these Bitmojis. They're all friendly, pretty friendly, you know. Got stories, virtual rooms, parent portal, all these easily found links here. Meet the teacher. So it's so friendly. I think it's a great way for the teacher to be known by the students and their families. That just goes to she has that link to a Google Doc. Look at that. And the next and final site I wanted to look at is from Ms. Mayra Garcia-Fombona. Ms. Garcia's website is wonderful. It's so colorful and welcoming. I love how she has very prominently the important news and the noticias importantes. It's got the English and the Spanish. Very cool. District and school website links, and then the links to the portal right there. Very cool. It's very simple. And then up here she's got all these resources tucked away in the menus up here. And these are those automatic menus that I showed you that Google Sites is. It's awesome. Even got sub menus. Let's look at the parent stuff here. Wow. It's great. Look at this, and it's totally up to date. I love it. I'm jealous. Anyway, good job.